Man, I don't like this boring light fixture so much. What should I do? Wait! I have an idea. I will go on Amazon to order a brand new ceiling fan. That will be a great idea. I will go on Amazon and order it right now. Yes! I bought the ceiling fan off on Amazon. I have to wait until it gets delivered.
After the ceiling fan is delivered,
I saw the ceiling fan box outside. I will get it from the outside.
at the outside,
Why is it so heavy? Whatever. I got the fan box. I will hurry to take it to my room.
when the man takes the ceiling fan box to his room,
Yes! I got the ceiling fan box to my room. I will film and install the ceiling fan. It's now filming. I will install the ceiling fan right now.
after the man is done installing the ceiling fan,
Alright. The filming is now off. Yay. 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 The ceiling fan is now installed. I will take a picture of the ceiling fan in my room right now. I got a picture. I will send it to my Google Drive right now.
after the man uploads his ceiling fan files onto his Google Drive,
Yes! I got the ceiling fan files onto my Google Drive. I will keep it forever 100%. I will enjoy my new ceiling fan right now.
H. Man, how dare you buy a ceiling fan while grounded? That's it. I will take down the ceiling fan, take the ceiling fan to the dump. I will install back the boring light fixture while you are performing. Which means you are going to perform at the Rock and Learn Alphabet Circus. Here's Alphabet All. Goodbye! Come with me. Time for the Rock and Learn Alphabet Circus.
when the man gets to the Rock and Learn Alphabet Circus,
Why did you buy a ceiling fan while grounded? Why did you do that?
Because my light fixture is boring. That's why I need to get a brand new ceiling fan.
I don't care. You have to get changed right now. Brian the man.
after the man gets changed,
Perform. 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 Now. Or jail for 100 years.
Perform.
Good. You are going to be me. You have to perform right now. Man. Perform 99 more times at the Alphabet Circus. Or jail for 100 years.
Okay. I will perform 99 more times at the Alphabet Circus.
after the man performs 99 more times at the Alphabet Circus,
You did a good job. For dating the 100 performs at the Rock and Learn Alphabet Circus. Next perform. Come with me. Time for Barney and Friends.
when the man gets to Barney and Friends,
How dare you buy a ceiling fan while grounded? That's it. I'm so mad at you. This time, I will change you. I have changed you. You have to perform. 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 Now. Or jail for 200 years.
Perform?
Great! You are going to be me. You have to perform right now. Do the Barney for 99 more times.
Okay, I will do the Barney for 99 more times.
After the man performs at Barney and Friends for 99 more times.
Good. You performed at Barney for 100 times. Next perform. Something worse. Ha! Ha! I changed you. Time for Elmo's world.
Oh, no.
When the man gets to Elmo's world. Well, since you are changed because you bought a brand new ceiling fan while grounded, you have to perform. 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 Now or 300 years in jail. Your choice.
Perform?
Good. You are going to be me. You need to perform at Elmo for 100 times. You can do it, man. Perform for 99 more times at Elmo.
Okay.
After the man performs for 99 more times at Elmo's world.
Great job. You performed at Elmo's world for 100 times. Next. Cow time. Goodbye!
Come with me. To the TV room.
When the man gets to the TV room.
How dare you buy a ceiling fan while grounded? That's it. Get changed right now, man. Okay.
After the man gets changed.
You are changed. You are going to watch the Wiggles Toot Toot, Chugga Chugga, big red car for your punishment. I will set it up for you right now. Oh no, cow. Please, 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 please do not turn it on. Please do not ever. No.